Hi, this is Cam from Even Better Apps with a quick overview of how to streamline your influencer gifting campaigns with Send to Many. Our app lets you manage various kinds of order imports, including influencer sends. Let's start with a spreadsheet that might look like what you've got to work with your influencers. You've got their names and addresses. Ideally, you've got their email and phone number for shipping information, and you might have some products that you want to send, including different products to different influencers. In this case, we've got two products with different people getting different quantities, and I'm going to leave some blank here just to show you some other options in the app. Then we'll start creating an influencer send. By choosing a send type of influencer seeding, we'll preset a bunch of the values for how the orders are generated to streamline the process for you. For influencer sends, people usually just pick themselves as the customer in the app. All these orders will then get associated with you when they're created. Now I'm going to simply paste my spreadsheet in here. We automatically map most columns, but if there are any unmapped, as we're seeing up here, you can just go in and select what you'd like to map this to. In this case, we'll map the card message to our notes field. Next, we're going to match our products to products in your store. In this case, I've just used examples. They're not matching to anything. You can enter a SKU for an exact match or just a product name and match it during the upload process. So we'll just pick a couple influencer products here. Let's send some moisturizer. And in this case, we'll pick a fragrance. And these ones will get a different size of moisturizer. And then you can also add products for your recipients right through the app without having a product in the upload file. And in this case, let's send them a tote bag as an extra gift. All our products are matched. We're taking them from inventory, and next we'll review addresses. We found one address that we have a suggestion for. We'll automatically map any high confidence replacements and let you review any where we have less confidence in the change that we're making. But in this case, it looks like it's good, so I'm going to accept it. Because these orders have free shipping on them, there's no rates to review, so we'll just skip past this step. And now we're ready to review and finalize our send. You can preview an order if you want to double check that everything looks correct before you generate everything. You can also see a summary of the total costs and tax and everything if these orders are being paid for. And you can also see all of the recipients down here broken out with all of their details. So everything looks good, and let's go ahead and process those orders. All right, all our orders were generated, and we take you to a summary page where you can see all of the orders that we processed. As the fulfillment status changes and tracking codes are added and delivery status is updated, these will all update here, and you can export that if you need to keep any stakeholders up to date on the progress of this send. And then you can also see all these orders in Shopify. So here are the 10 orders that we generated. Each of them came through with the free shipping that we had set, and the notifications suppressed, and the products taken out of inventory. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to scale your gifting in Shopify without scaling your workload using Send to Many. Thank you.